Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan back again, working on an '07 Chevy Equinox. I have the code P0651, reference signal B open. Saw a couple videos online, some were helpful, some were not. It didn't really show many repairs, so I kind of want to show you what I did and how I found it and how I repaired it. I went in to this job without any schematics or anything, kind of shooting from the hip, just stuck the basics, just checking for continuity. I got my snap-on meter here. I mean, any meter will work. I like to use the sound option on mine only because of my line of work on diesels and stuff. You kind of gotta be in places where you really can't see it, so this way I know there's continuity there. So I'm going to do a little reenactment of what I did here on this EGR valve plug here to show you what I did to find the problem. Unplug the ECM here. These little covers just generally pop off without a whole lot of effort. This way you can get to the cavities. Same thing on this. I already took the little plastic piece out. I already checked what cavity it is, but I'll show you quickly what I did. I believe it's this cavity here. So you put a probe on one end, and with the help of my lovely girlfriend, she was up here probing the cavities because I had to do the TRS sensor because that was the issue. And this tells you that that wire is good and not broken anywhere from there to there. So this is what I did. I did for the cam sensor, the throttle body, and the TRS, which is the timing sensor for the crank. Mounted lower block on the inside there. So I was underneath. She was up top probing, and we found out one of the three wires going to the TRS was dead. And kind of inspecting the harness, running my hand up, found out the harness was actually pinched between the engine and the transmission. Apparently this had a used transmission put in it not that long ago, so they couldn't get it running right, so they kind of gave up on it. And then I got a hold of it, and this is what I found. I found a few wires here. All the wires were kind of smashed, but I'll show you which one was my culprit. Was this gray one here was my reference single wire, and as you can see, it's just gone. If I slice it open, it's probably barely any wires even connected anymore. But that was what my issue was, and that's how I found it. Took us about an hour and a half to find it, maybe a little bit longer, but it wasn't very long to find out what it was. Then we had to split the transmission, get the harness out, made the repair, but connected, shrink wrapped it all back up, routed it in a way that it won't happen again. So like I said, this vehicle's been sitting. Now we have a random misfire, code 300. So I'm chasing that down now, pulled spark plugs, checked wires, did my basics. Coil seems to be working. So I'm kind of leaning on bad gas or possible injectors. So once I find out that, I will make a quick video of what I found there and any other helpful tips. But that's where we are on the P0651. Code is repaired on this. Now I'm down to just the one random misfire. Alright guys, hope this helps, and see you on the next one.